I'm Dean with Bioskin Bracing. We're going to spend a moment and show the application for the Hallux control strap while we're using the after dorsal closure brace. Now the same process is used with the midfoot compression wrap, but in this case we're going to be using the after dorsal closure. Let me just show you quickly the configuration of the product. This little strap that we have will come across under this strap, which is elasticized, and we will use this to hold the strap on the end of the toe, and it can be adjusted. And then this elasticized strap, we want to have this aiming the direction that we want to pull the great toe. So let's start with the hallux in a neutral position. So we will set the strap. I want this a little bit tighter, and we'll pull it over the toe with these two straps. We want to create a little bit of abduction, and this elasticized strap, again, as we pull it into a neutral position, this does not have to be pulled taut or too tight, but we want to have just a little bit of tightness on there, so we create this neutral positioning. Now let's reposition this so we can put the hallux in a dorsiflex position. This can be used for night splint. You know, if we want to splint this, the great toe in a dorsal position, we rotate the strapping. Let's start again with the small strap coming over the toenail, and then we can crisscross these straps, or we can put them whatever's going to be the most comfortable for the patient. Let's crisscross these. And with this, we can put a little bit of tension now on this exerciser strap, and now the patient can plantar flex to strengthen the FHL. Or if we want to just splint the toe in that position, we can loosen up the exercise strap just to keep it out of the way, and now the splint will hold the hallux in this dorsiflex position. Now one other positioning that we can have on the hallux control strap is, take it right off again, we're going to reverse the strap, and we want to create some range of motion, increased range of motion on the hallux in the plantar plane. And this can be worn again at night to splint, so we're increasing range of motion in the plantar plane, and we can increase range of motion in the dorsal plane, or dorsal position. And we can also, as we create these positions in the plantar position, dorsal position, we can also hold the hallux in a neutral and a more abducted position. Okay, we're going to position the small strap so it comes over the top of the toe, and now we want to put the strap between the first and second ray, and if we pull this down just a little bit farther, we'll catch the more distal phalangeal joint, so we focus on that metatarsal joint, first met head. So we can come down and position that, and then we can hold the toe in that position. So we've got easy application and donning and docking the product, and we would just rotate the strap depending on abduction, plantar positioning, or dorsal positioning with exercising, focusing on the FHL.